How to do cash on delivery on AliExpress. So first of all, open your AliExpress, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from here, simply find the item that you want to purchase. For example, I have my item on my cart. I'm going to go on my cart, and here you can see this is the item. Tap on it, and in here, tap on buy now. And in here, if you scroll down through your payment method, here you'll get two different options: PayPal later and Afterpay. So in here, before placing the order, you have to remember that the item should be above $30 in order to use Afterpay and PayPal later. And you also need to remember that you can only order free interest payment 4 times. After that, interest will be charged for Afterpay or PayPal later. So you can choose which method you want. For now, I'm going to go with Afterpay, just like this. And in here, you'll need to now select your country and select your country code and write down your mobile number right here. After doing that, all you need to do is tap on next and it will be set. After setting your payment method, what you're going to do is simply tap on place order. And just like that, you will be able to do cash on delivery on AliExpress. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.